Okay, friends, I've got a question for you. Are you tired of using software that's so rigid and inflexible, it feels like you're trying to fit a square peg into a round hole? Well, if so, then you're in luck, because today I'm going to be talking about Podio, a powerful and customizable platform that can help you streamline your workflows and get more done. But before we dive into the specifics, let's take a step back and talk about why you might need a tool like Podio in the first place. Think about it. In today's fast-paced business world, it's more important than ever to be able to stay organized and efficient. Whether you're managing projects, tracking leads, or simply trying to keep your team on the same page, the right software can make all the difference. That's where Podio comes in. Podio is a cloud-based platform that can be used for a variety of purposes, including project management, customer relationship management 1, CRM, and knowledge management. It's highly customizable, so you can tailor it to your specific needs, and it offers a wide range of features, including task management, create and assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress. Project management, create and manage projects, track milestones, and report on progress. CRM, manage leads, contacts, and opportunities and track your sales pipeline. Knowledge management, create and share documents, files, and presentations. Collaboration, collaborate with team members in real time, share comments and updates, and hold virtual meetings, and much more. But that's not all. Podio is also incredibly user-friendly, making it easy to get up and running quickly. And with its intuitive interface, you can be sure that you'll be able to find the features you need without any trouble. So what are the advantages of using Podio? Well, for starters, it's incredibly flexible and customizable. As I mentioned earlier, you can tailor Podio to your specific needs, so you can be sure that it will fit right in with your existing workflows. Second, Podio is incredibly powerful. With its wide range of features, you can do just about anything you need to do. Third, Podio is incredibly user-friendly. As I mentioned earlier, it's easy to get up and running quickly, and the intuitive interface makes it easy to find the features you need. Fourth, Podio is incredibly affordable. There are a variety of pricing plans to choose from, so you can find one that fits your budget. And finally, Podio is backed by a great team of support. If you ever have any questions or problems, you can always reach out to their support team for help. So, if you're looking for a powerful, flexible, and user-friendly platform to help you streamline your workflows and get more done, then I highly recommend checking out Podio. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.